Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a client from FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar, and in the search bar type freshbooks.com. That's gonna walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Now once you get into the website, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. Now, of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to remove a client from FreshBooks. Now head over to the left navigation panel of your screen where you have dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Now go ahead and click on clients. Now once you click on clients, it's going to open up the clients window. Now that we're here, head over to the client that you want to delete. So go ahead and this is a client here, and that's Amy Books. Of course, we have Mac Amanda, and we have this client already registered. So if I want to delete this client, all I need to do is to hover over the client, and you're gonna see this pop-up icons which include edit, you have archive, and you have delete. Now, I don't want to delete this client, all right, because this is pretty much the owner. So, but if you want to delete a client, just take your mouse over and you're going to see the three icons which include edit, archive, and delete. Now, once you go ahead and click on delete, that client is going to be deleted and removed from your FreshBooks account. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.